vegetables, snow ice, play money, credit cards, and a key.
Okay, I
Now let's
want
open it.
Okay, I want to open. Okay, I want to open.
Okay. Whoa. Oopsie. Forgot this part. Wow! So we have all these toys. Now it's time to unbox them. We've got the ketchup. Ooh. We got the cash register. We got the play money. So this is all we have. We got a microphone, the cash register, a scanner, we have the credit card, we got coins, we got the key, we got the snow ice, and here are the products. Now let's open them. So this is all we have. Now time to unbox the cash register. It's so cute. He even got a cookie and a chicken. So here we go, guys. This is all we have. We got the play money. We got the key to open this. And guess what we have inside? We have coins. We have 2 credit cards. We got popcorn and snow ice. We got chicken, cookie, and jalapenos and corn. We got the scanner. We have the cash register that actually works. And we've got the mic. Hello guys, can you hear me? Hello? Now